away. And Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, or Myanmar, or any other country. I'd like to reach out to you guys today because I have a very important message to share with you guys. And before I do that, I'd like to introduce myself briefly. My name is Mumu A. I was born in Karenni State in Myanmar. I became a refugee in 2006, living in Maramon camp on Thailand-Myanmar border. I came to US in 2012, earned my BA in sociology, and working on my master degree in business management, concentrate in marketing. This is me. We came from the same land. We share the same experience, and we have a common goal that we want to help our people. And if you follow the news closely, you see that recently the Myanmar military just attacked our people. Children, women, elderly. They run through the night, through the dark, through the jungle for their life, for fears. They sleep on the ground. There's no floor, no wall, no roof. They starve for days because they're afraid to build fires to cook. The smoke will attract the Burmese soldiers and they come and kill them. They rape our people. They burned out the houses. They chased them out of their land for decades. And BBC, VOA, mainstream news in Myanmar, they did not broadcast any news about this. We've been silenced for decades. And our parents, our grandparents, they're fighting for our freedom, for us to have a decent life. So what can we do to help? I have a plan to launch a social justice campaign, and it can be done on satellite social media campaign type. That's why I reach out to you guys. I need you guys to join me to make this happen. That's why I'm speaking in English, because I want to use the language that international community can understand. We need to show them we're human, we deserve dignity, respect, a decent life. We can't let our people run in for their whole life. If we don't stop them, if we don't do anything, this is gonna keep going because the Myanmar military, they won't stop. We have to pressure international community because they've been sending foreign aid, millions of dollars to Myanmar. Did those money go to our people? No. Have you been back to refugee camp again? You will see people are really suffering, even in refugee camp. I just had a meeting with, actually I was participating in the meeting, Korean Organization of America organization, and they did amazing job collecting donation to send money for displaced people, the Korean people. But if we don't stop the Myanmar military from chasing them like this, no matter how much donation we send, it will never ever enough. So please, I urge you guys to join me. I urge you guys to participate, to make this happen, to share our voice. We have our parents, we have our elders who have experience are ready to support us. So I have my email here. If you want to help your people, send me email and we will organize virtual online meeting and we go from there. Thank you so much. I hope you all have a good night. Bye.
Letterda qui qua tu hi Bertamula bertato de we ready so ta cứ cứ so Buti mata mulai cơ hago Bơ khi cơ nhà lỡ đỡ cứ y qua qua Tu le bờ ta